welcome back to my YouTube channel. So we have a new video today and I'm gonna take you to my dining room. It's fall again. How time flies so fast. So I'm gonna show you how I decorate my dining room, specifically my table for the fall season. So without further ado, let's jump right in. So this is my dining room. Sorry it's a little bit dark, but hopefully it will catch up soon. Everything you see in here are things I've collected over the years. I got them from off-season sale from the previous years. I didn't want to spend extra money buying new things this year. Starting off, I have 8-seater dining set and I only use 6 seats for now. As you can see here, I put brown runner in the center and style it with what I have. I put 2 decorative candle holders which I got I believe from Aldi for $2 on sale last year. Then to give it a brighter look, I added those 2 white ceramic pumpkins on each side of the candle holder. Rustic colored placemats, chargers in gold, contrasting clean white plates, accentuated by white ceramic little pumpkins, and fall colored autumn leaf completes the look. I just love how this combination turned out. This white mini pumpkin I got for 25 cents each at Target last year on clearance. To add texture and color, I added green and red mini apple, which I put on a 2-tiered cake stand. It's actually 2 cake stand. I put one over the other and filled it with mini apples. My buffet table has been styled like this. I have 2 lamps, 2 vases with the Last Supper frame in the center. I just added gorgeous hydrangeas, eucalyptus foliage, and 2-tone candles on each side. This area is an additional seating space and I just added a beautiful bouquet of flowers. So this is my dining room, my friends. I try to decorate it each season and I just love looking at how it turned out. Please give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Comment down below what do you think, and please consider subscribing. Have a good day, my friends. Stay healthy and beautiful. Bye bye.